Hi, and welcome to my first JavaEE tutorial. A lot of you are probably wondering, why would I learn JavaEE? What is it? JavaEE is a huge framework for building servers. It's used for pretty much any kind of server you can think of. You can build web servers, big web apps, websites with it, anything that needs to talk to a database. You can build anything that needs a REST API, like say a backend for a mobile app. It'll handle your database for you with really easy Java code. It'll handle your web application and your web pages. You can create templates for all kinds of different web pages. It'll handle WebSockets. It has built-in capabilities for doing clustering and scaling to thousands and thousands of nodes. It has an amazing security framework, and it's actually really widely used. A lot of the applications you use every day actually are built on top of JavaEE. For instance, Netflix uses JavaEE for all kinds of different pieces of their infrastructure. They have a really complicated application, and they have all kinds of software that needs to do database calls, video streaming, security, DRM, all that kind of stuff. And they use JavaEE for a lot of that. Amazon.com. If you've ever gone shopping and went to checkout, you know you were probably one of a million people checking out at that very moment. And they use JavaEE to handle the scale of thousands and thousands of simultaneous transactions every second. So welcome, and I hope you really enjoy JavaEE as much as I do. Thanks for listening.